Welcome to my channel, and today I am participating in a DIY decorating fall and glam towel 2019 collaboration. And this collaboration is hosted by Cynthia, SheSoBless, Mysteria, Alberta, and Diva Decorating. We was asked to style a fall or glam towel to be used in your kitchen, bathroom, or on your bar cart. So I decided to style my kitchen towels. And my kitchen towel were purchased from Ross in a set of two. And the first towel came fully decorated with the word of God. And it reads, "Let us come before him with thanksgiving," Psalms 95 and 2. My second kitchen towel, I decided to add a gold ribbon at the bottom and two glitter acorn and two fall leaves. And I used Mod Podge and gold glitter to embellish the leaves. I love how the gold and the orange play well together. They really complement each other. If you like my kitchen fall or glam towel, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become a member of Living Better with Style family, where we do lifestyle changes, home decor, DIY, shop with me, and hauls. Tap that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Also go over to Cynthia, SheSoBless, Mysteria, Alberta, and Diva Decorating, and subscribe to their channel. These ladies have some amazing home decor video. Thank you, ladies, for this open collaboration and all the participants. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.